Take video.
Me.
I'm just recording them. Trying to get mommy out of it. I'm recording this on Twitter. Yeah.
Don't get me on there, Anthony.
I'm not. You weren't on there at all. Oh yeah.
It's okay, man. It's okay. Go in the shed. Oh. What are you doing with your teeth? You gonna miss your face?
Fucking asshole. Boy, if it didn't have my boots on, that would have really hurt.
Why'd you stop, Dom? Fired up.
Let's go do that route I showed you the other day. Go up that way, then you can back down and do the S-turn.
Go slow and have him follow you.
I will.
I had to add coolant to it. Before I fired it up the last time, I had to put coolant in it. That's coolant. This thing blew a seal somewhere. Probably some seal. That
I'm gonna go on the ATV. I'm gonna go on the ATV. I'll show you it, but it's in a carton, but so I'm gonna go on it. I'll probably take some pictures of me. So my dad will. So let's just finish the video. Sorry, it smells like gas over there. It's so gross, it's annoying. Okay, the other ATVs are coming, the dirt bikes are coming back. The like the kid on the dirt bike, that was my brother. He has a user on Twitter, but if you please follow him. He only has 31 followers, and he joined before me, and I have 200. So please follow Dominic Rossi01 at twitter.com. Okay, let's finish the vid.
Stop filming?
No,
Stop.
it goes for 10 minutes. Okay, bye.